Good morning everyone and welcome to this Electronica 2020 session focusing on IoT solutions overview by On Semiconductor. It's a pleasure to have you today with us. My name is Bruno Damien, I am IoT Strategic Marketing Director for Europe and I will guide you through this journey. Let's start with a quick introduction to our IoT platform strategy. We have initiated our IoT platform strategic approach in 2017, starting with an IoT development kit that was a generic platform made of Arduino and PMOD shields interconnected together with a baseboard and a free-of-charge software environment. Yet, mobile application and MQTT broker connectivity was possible through a Wi-Fi client module. Since then, we have been focusing further on providing more integration, getting closer to the vertical applications, and adding new connectivity like BLE, Zigbee Green Power, sub-gigahertz, radio, and Wi-Fi technology, with the acquisition of Wi-Fi of Quantenna. As such, ultra-low power value proposition is expressed widely in line with the energy efficiency leadership strategy of On Semiconductor. Today, the application sweet spot of On Semiconductor IoT platforms is located at the edge side. Partnering with key companies like cloud service providers, energy harvester OEMs, security technology providers is key. We developed this aspect in 2019 and 2020. Let's jump into a typical IoT application block diagram. A typical high-level block diagram of an IoT solution includes sensor, actuators, connectivity, and power management. Our vast portfolio of devices is covering all that. Most of our IoT platforms include the building blocks colored in green, and besides that, we have a variety of options listed in the blue area. All of them are based upon our value-added products. As far as sensors are concerned, the vast portfolio of image sensor and LiDAR sensor is part of our IoT offering. Power semiconductor is in the DNA of On Semiconductor and it is valued in several platforms. Connectivity is key to our solution approach and we demonstrate it within a wireless and wired option family. As such, an IoT reference platform from us includes connectivity, sensing, and actuators. Each platform is complemented with schematic, layout, Gerber file, MCU applications, source code. In next slide, we will show what verticals can take benefit of such an approach. It is key to understand that our value proposition of products and platforms fit perfectly with several vertical markets of IoT. We drive innovation by taking benefit of our energy efficient solution made by On Semiconductor into those verticals. Here is a list of vertical applications we focus on. On the left, asset tracking and monitoring, where BLE technology, localization and security implementation, ODM partners and node-to-cloud solutions are made available to the developers. In the center, connected lighting, we propose a whole family of electronic components needed for such application, including the most suitable connectivity concepts like BLE mesh, PoE, Zigbee Green Power, Bluetooth Low Energy, high linearity and efficient LED drivers, primary energy source conversion, sensing, and more. Such solution is made for industrial and B2B lighting applications. We will give more detail in a few minutes. Not less than 30 part numbers of On Semiconductor are used in this high efficiency, high power platform. In less than 2 years, we have released to the market about 10 genuine IoT platforms to the developers community. Among several connectivity options, we offer Bluetooth, Low Energy and Ethernet, sub-gigahertz radio, Zigbee, Green Power, and Wi-Fi. Altogether, there are sensor nodes, wall switches, BLE mesh nodes, connected lighting kits, etc., etc. The new LiDAR rangefinder is announced at Electronica. This new platform features a Class 1 near-infrared emission diode and our high-performance silicon photomultipliers, plus the whole surrounding electronics, plus a nice graphical user interface. We succeed to reduce energy consumption of such solution with no performance trade-off. The SmartShot camera will be introduced mid-November, featuring an exciting combination of BLE system-on-chip, ultra-low power image sensor, and battery management circuitry, connected to the cloud where AI algorithms classify images and the content of those images into genuine categories. Each and every platform comes with a complete schematic, layout, application firmware source code, available in various software development kits. The iOS and Android mobile apps comes on top. 3 of them have received an Innovation Award in the past 12 months. Let's have a quick look at those platforms. Here they are. A variety of connected sensor nodes, a sensor node with secure element and public key infrastructure, a sensor node with real-time localization services, a family of innovative battery-free sensors with connectivity over Bluetooth Low Energy or Zigbee Green Power, and a complete smart lighting platform. During this IoT session, we will deep dive into 3 specific topics: the new LiDAR ranging finder for 30 minutes, the power of lighting platforms for 10 minutes, and revolutionizing asset management for another 30 minutes. Let's have a look at the value proposition of our solutions. There are 4 leaves of our value proposition. On the top left, we have ultra-low power approach. This is a key feature for a sensor node. Top right, the addition of low power image and vision sensor makes the sensor node richer. Power management is the DNA of ON Semiconductor. We share this expertise with developers in our IoT platforms. Finally, bottom left, the most important solution approach is what IoT platforms of ON Semiconductor adds to the marketplace. A rich choice of solution, support from Strata Developer Studio, and a rich complementary partnership. With those 4 assets in hand, developers can rapidly make use of the complete node-to-cloud IoT system while focusing on their core competencies. As a summary, the value proposition of ON Semiconductor IoT platform is bringing ultra-low power expertise to IoT end devices, providing awarded winning platforms, addressing smart building asset management verticals with a solution-centric approach for faster time to market. And we cover node-to-cloud ecosystems. Thank you for your attention. We are now moving to the session dedicated to LiDAR-based rangefinder platform.